Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at Introduction to Spreadsheet. Now you may ask, what is a spreadsheet or what is the purpose of a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a table that consists of cells that holds accounting or financial data. Now, the software that we're going to be looking at today is Microsoft Excel. So let me share my screen. Now, this is what the software looks like. It consists of different sheets. Each sheet is called a worksheet. And because there are more than one worksheet, it is considered a workbook. Now, let us go a little closer to examine our worksheet. Now, the worksheet consists of columns and rows. The columns are named using the letters of the alphabet, and the rows are named using numbers. Let me repeat that. The columns are named using letters of the alphabet and the rows are named using numbers. Now, when a column and a row intersects, it is called a cell. When a column and a row intersects, it is called a cell. A cell is named using the letter of the column and the number of the row. So the name of this cell will be cell C3. Now, the name of this cell would have been cell E10 because it is found in the column E and it is the number 10. So where the column and the row intersects, it is called E10. Now, let us consider a group of cells. A group of cells is called a range. The range is named using the first cell and the last cell. So the name of this range would have been B5 to E9. This range would be called A10 to F12. Last one. This range would be called A2 to E10. So far, we have looked at columns, we have looked at rows, we have looked at cells, we have looked at range. So you have an idea of what each worksheet looks like. But up here at the top of the screen, we see some icons, we see some words, and we don't know what they're about. Now, if you look at the top of the screen, the first thing that you see up here is the name of the page that you're on, or the name of the document that you're on, and the name of the software. This area is called your title bar. It consists of the name of the software, and also it has information as to the name of the file that you're on. The next set of words is called your menu bar. And your menu bar here, as we can see, it consists of file, home, insert, page layout, formats, formulas, data, review, and view. Each of these tabs have different options. The home tab is where we make all of our changes to our fonts and so forth, and our text alignments and so forth. The insert tab is used to insert pictures, shapes, tables, graphs and charts, hyperlinks, word art, and so forth. The page layout is used to change the margin or to change the orientation of the document or the size of the document. That is what we mostly use it for. But it also have different options. Feel free to go on your software and examine the other functions. A very important aspect of spreadsheet software is the formulas. Now, each software comes with predefined formulas and functions. Please watch my next video and you will see more information on functions and formulas. Now, the data can also be sorted in alphabetical order from A to Z to say, or from Z to A. It can also be filtered. You can also remove certain cells if you want, certain columns if you want, certain rows if you want. You can use the software to do spell checks. grammatical checks and so forth. It has that option. Sometimes when we're writing documents or when we're doing some word processing operation, we tend to make mistakes as human. So this area is where you come to review your document and to make sure it is of good standard before we present it to other people. You can also view your worksheet in different ways, depending on how you want it or how you feel comfortable with it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and do enjoy the rest of your day.